establishment of Rashtriya Shiksha Ayog and options for Indian education service to be established. So Rashtriya Shiksha Ayog is one of the apex advisory body that would be established from elementary to university education system in India, and this Rashtriya Shiksha Ayog would replace the present day CAB, which is the Central Advisory Board of Education. So under Rashtriya Shiksha Ayog you would have the responsibility of developing, articulating and revising the vision for education, bringing in major changes in the education system. This RSA, the Rashtriya Shiksha Ayog, would be chaired by the Minister of Education, and there would be eminent personalities from education, research, teaching profession who would be part of the Rashtriya Shiksha Ayog, who would be working with their expertise and providing ideas and suggestions under this. This Rashtriya Shiksha Ayog would have smaller wings in each of the state, which would be known as Rajya Shiksha Ayog or RJSA, the Rajya Shiksha Ayog. And again, these would be taken care by the state ministers for education. So education at various levels would be taken under consideration from elementary to university education through the RSA or the Rashtriya Shiksha Ayog. Rashtriya Shiksha Ayog would have a permanent secretariat, and this would be headed by an executive director. So the role of the executive director would be very important. He would be an eminent person in the field of education and who has a very deep understanding of the Indian education system from elementary education to higher education. There would be a 5-year term for the appointment of the executive director, and during this 5-year term, as we said, it would be renewable for one more term. So maximum duration could be 10 years that could be there. He can select his own staff and experts for performing various duties, and as we said, the Ministry of Human Resource Development would be renamed as Ministry of Education, taking into account education and learning as one of the priorities. Also, Indian Education Service would be established as a separate cadre under UPSC. So under UPSC, besides the administrative services, police services, revenue services, you would have Indian Education Service, which would be a separate category where major focus would be given on education planning, policy, administration, and the subsectors of education, the finances, administration under education would be taken into account, and to maintain the professionalism in Indian education system. So that is some of the major things that would be taken into account under the Indian Education Service. So both Indian Education Service and Rashtriya Shiksha Ayog, along with the state version, the Rajya Shiksha Ayog, are very important, and these have been part of your National Education Policy 2020. We would be taking many more interesting such topics. Stay tuned. Have a wonderful day ahead.